So, guys, May 9th, 2021, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. If you're a mother, um, that's an important thing. Definitely. My mother died when I was young. My mother died when I was 7 years old. Yeah, unfortunate, but the whole mama thing, that it's kind of like that's a long story when I talk about mama. It's kind of an inside joke. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little vlog here. We'll talk about a couple of things. Someone's been going into the live chats and impersonating me under my name, under my picture, and trying to convince you guys that it's me. I've been getting a lot of texts from Ted Cork and a bunch of other guys and saying, oh, this guy's just trolling here. Is that you? And all you have to do is click on that person. And if it don't take you to my channel, it's not me. It's a troll. Very simple. I haven't been in any of the live chats. I haven't really been, on YouTube all that much. I do watch a lot of YouTube channels, but I haven't been in a lot of the live chats. A lot of times I go to sleep early. 9:30, 10 o'clock, usually I'm passed out. So a lot of these live chats, 11 o'clock. But anyway, just click on the guy. Don't be fooled by these trolls. Just click on it. If it don't take you to my channel, 146,000 subscribers and 85 million views, it's not me. If you click on that person that's supposed to be me, under my name, under my picture, it takes you to my channel, that's me. If you click on it and it goes to 0 subs, 0 views, I mean, it's a troll. Don't be fooled by these losers. I got a good feeling on who's doing it, who's behind it. And I don't want to throw any names out there, but, it's all good, guy. We know how you operate. Don't be fooled by the trolls, guy. Going around trying to impersonate me and trying to think that it let you believe that person's me. I mean, don't be stuck on stupid. Don't be fooled by these idiots, please. So I'll probably be on YouTube. People will try to start trouble with you and get views because their content sucks. I mean, it's just how it is. It's been like that forever. But anyway, let's get on to something else. I've been cleaning a lot of copper and brass. I guess price is up right now. I got a whole bunch of it, maybe 4 or 5 years worth of, accumulation, and I just got it all stacked up, piled up everywhere, and I'm just cleaning it and taking it into the junkie and cashing it out. So it's a little bit of work, and I just get so much brass and copper every day, and I just usually just throw in piles and eventually start cleaning it up and taking it in because it gets overwhelming. I want to start doing some live chats on the weekend. I'm thinking maybe Saturday or Sunday. Maybe 8 o'clock Eastern time would be a good time to do it. And I want to start doing more live chats. I've been pumping out videos for over 8 years now. A video a day for 8 years. It's been a lot of work. I enjoy doing it. I have never got burnt out, which I'm really surprised that I haven't got burnt out from it, to be honest with you. It's been so much work. It's been kind of like a hobby for me more than anything. And I enjoy it, But anyway, Miss Molly's going to be 3 in June. June 22nd is about her birthday, and she's doing good. She's somewhere. I think she's on the couch over there, hanging out and relaxing. And I love Miss Molly. She's a little shit, a little dog. I really kind of bonded with her since she's been a puppy. She just kind of stole my heart, the little sucker. She's set in her ways, but she's a good little dog. And she knows she got a good life with me. She loves me to death, the little girl. And well, here she is. Want to come out? Come on. No. Give me kisses. Mom. Give me kisses. Come on. Give me kisses. Come on. She's over there playing Catch Me If You Can. Come on out, Molly. People want to see you, little shit. Yeah. She's got pretty much her full coat in now. Long-haired chihuahuas take about 3 years for that full coat to come in. She's pretty much got her full coat now, and She's quite the little character, the little shit. But anyway, more videos to come, and I just wanted to do this thing about that, exposing that troll on YouTube that's been going in the live chats under my name. I mean, how pathetic is that? I mean, the guy, why don't you try impersonating yourself instead of trying to impersonate someone else, because you're a fucking loser. I mean, pretty much. If you can't be yourself and nobody wants to watch you, and you got to try to impersonate someone else, I mean, what a flippin' life. How pathetic is that? That's pretty bad. Pull your head out of your ass, and get a flippin' life, guy. YouTube's full of trolls. I mean, just can't get away from it. I knew when I started this whole YouTube experience, it'd be a bunch of trolls, and just how it is, like that in life, and you can't get away from it. But anyway, just a quick little one, guy. Welcome to the shit show. How you like my new sign? Welcome to the shit show. I got some new online dating stories coming up. Never a dull moment. All right, have a good day.